Welcome to Karnataka LMS. Myself Suguna HG, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, GFGC, Chintamani. In this video, I am presenting you standard problems on groups, addition modulo m. Let m be an arbitrary but fixed positive integer, a and b be any two integers. Then the addition modulo m of a and b is denoted by plus mod m, that is defined as the least non-negative remainder obtained by dividing the ordinary sum of a and b by m. The sum of a and b is divided by m and that remainder we consider. So that is denoted by a plus mod m b is equal to r, where r is the remainder which is lying between 0 to m. This tells us that r is always greater than 0 and less than m. For example, let us consider a fixed positive integer m is equal to 8. If a is equal to 6 and b is equal to 9, then a plus mod m b is equal to 6 plus mod 8, 9 is equal to 7. So that is 6 plus 9 is 15. 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. Multiplication modulo m of a and b is defined as the least non-negative remainder obtained by dividing the ordinary product of a and b by m. That means the ordinary product of a and b is divided by m and that remainder is considered, and it is written as a multi mod m b is equal to r, where r is the remainder which is lying between 0 to m. That means r is always greater than or equal to 0 and less than m. For example, 5 multi mod 3 of 4 is equal to 2. 5 4s are 20. 20 divided by 3, 6 times it divides, that is 18. So 20 minus 18, the remainder is 2. So like this we use the multiplication modulo m. Another example, 11 multi mod 6 of 5 is equal to 1. 11 5s are 55. Minus 54 is 1. Similarly, the third example, so 8 9s are 72. 72 when you divide it by 8 again, the remainder is 0. Few problems on modular groups. So that G is equal to 0, 1, 2, 4, 5 is an abelian group under addition mod 6. So first let us construct the composition table with respect to addition modulo 6. That is plus mod 6. So we have the elements in G are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this first column, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 we have written as it is. Now 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 0 plus 2 is 2. 0 plus 3 is 3. 0 plus 4 is 4. 0 plus 5 is 5. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 1 plus 2, 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. And 1 plus 4 is 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. So 6 is written as 0. And next row, the leading element is 2. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. And 2 plus 3 is 5. Again 2 plus 4 is 6. When you get 6, you just subtract that by 6. So you will get 0. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 minus 6, the remainder is 1. So we have to write the remainder here. Fourth row, the leading element is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 3 plus 2, 5. 3 plus 3 is 6 again. Whenever you get 6, you must write 0. Then 4 plus 3, 7. That is 7 minus this 6, you get 1. And 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 minus 6 is 2. 2 is the remainder. Remainder has to be filled here. Then the next row, the first element is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 4 plus 2 is 0. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 minus 6 is 1. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 minus 6 is 2. 4 plus 5 is 9. That is 3. And the last row is 5 plus 0 is 5 itself. 5 plus 1 is 0. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 minus 6 is 1. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 minus 6 is 2. And 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 minus 6 is 3. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. So like this we fill all the elements in the table. The elements of the table are the elements of G. See, the set G contains 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements. Since all the entries in the composition table are the elements of G, therefore G is closed with respect to addition modulo 6. The next property, associative law. Associative law, for all A, B, C belongs to G, we have to prove that A plus bracket B plus C, A plus B plus C. Leave the same remainder when we divide it. Example, see, we have A plus mod 6 of B plus mod 6 of C is equal to A plus mod 6B plus mod 6C. This can be verified by an example. So let us take an example and verify this one. 2 plus mod 6 3 plus mod 6 4 is equal to, see, first we are simplifying. 2 plus mod 6 3, that is equal to 5. 5 plus mod 6 4, it is equal to 5 plus 4 9. 9 minus 6 is 3. And let us interchange the brackets in this one and simplify. So we get 2 plus mod 6 of 3 plus mod 6 of 4. 3 plus mod 6 of 4 is 1, because 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 minus 6 is 1. And this 2 again plus mod 6 of 1 is equal to 3. See, now both of them are equal. That is, A plus of B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. So associative law is satisfied. Existence of identity. From the composition table, we observe that 0 belongs to G satisfies A plus mod 6 0 is equal to 0 plus mod 6 A is equal to A for every A belongs to G. Therefore, identity element exists and equal to 0. Now you just observe the first row and first column of the table are identical. That means when you operate with the 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 2 is 2, 0 plus 3 is 3, 0 plus 4 is 4 and 0 plus 5 is 5. That means when you add 0 to any element, the sum is same that element itself. The sum is that element itself. Therefore, 0 is the identity element. So from the table it is clear that when you add 0 to any element, the sum is same element. Therefore, the identity element is equal to 0. The fourth property, existence of inverse. From the composition table, the inverses of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are respectively 0, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let us view this in the table. The inverse of 1. Inverse of 1 means in the corresponding table, you just see where the identity element is. So 0 is here. So 1 plus 5 is equal to 0. We are getting the identity element. That's why inverse of 1 is 5. Similarly, in the first row, 0 is here. So inverse of 0 is 0. Third row, inverse of 2 is 4. Inverse of 3 is 3. Inverse of 4 is 2. Inverse of 5 is 1. So every element of G has inverse. Therefore, every element has inverse. Then finally, we have to show that it is commutative. In order to prove the given set G is a commutative group or an abelian group. Composition table is symmetrical about principal diagonal. Therefore, commutative law holds good. Let us view the table again to confirm this result. In the composition table, this is the principal diagonal. Now, above the principal diagonal, see we have the elements 0, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3. And below the principal diagonal, 0, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3. See, it is symmetrical about principal diagonal. This is the principal diagonal. Now, you just see above the principal diagonal, the elements are 0, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3. And below that, 3, 1, 5, 3, 1, 0. If you fold this on principal diagonal, see 0 is coinciding on 0. If you fold this one, 1 on 1, 3 on 3, 5 on 5, 1 on 1, 3 on 1, 2 on 2. So like this, it is symmetrical. So the composition table is symmetrical about the principal diagonal. Therefore, for all A comma B belongs to G implies that A star B is equal to B star A. Means sum of A plus B with respect to addition a modulo 6 is equal to sum of B plus A with respect to addition modulo 6. Therefore, the commutative law is satisfied. Hence, G comma plus 6 is an abelian group. Next problem. Prove that G is equal to 1 comma 5 comma 7 comma 11 is a group under multiplication modulo 12. So to prove this again, let us construct the composition table like previous problem and check all 4 properties of the group under multiplication are satisfied in this composition table. So the composition table is multimod 12, elements are 1, 5, 7, 11 and this row also we have filled, that is 1, 5, 7, 11. Now let us construct the table. 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 5 is equal to 5, 1 into 7 is 7, 1 into 11 is 11. So first row and first column I have filled here. First row and first column are same. Next, the second row, 5 5s are 25, 25 minus 12 multiple, that is you will get it as 12 2s are 24. So 25 minus 24, the remainder is 1. Next, 5 7s are 35. So 35 minus nearest multiple of 12 is 24. So remainder is 11. 5 5s are, next one, 5 11s are 55. 55 means it is 12 4s are 48. So 55 minus 48 is 7. Next, similarly, next row is also filled by multiplying with the 7 5s are and 7 7s are 49. 49 minus 48 is 1. And the last row, that is 11 1s are 11. 11 5s are 55. So it is, remainder is 7 after subtracting 48, that is a multiple of 12. Then 11 sevens are 77. So 77 minus 72, we get 5. And 11 elevens are 121. 120 minus 12 tens are 120. 121 minus 120 is 1. So like this the table is filled. Now you see in the composition table the entries are 1, 5, 7, 11, 5, 1, 11, 7. All entries are belonging to the group G. Therefore the closure law is satisfied. So all the entries in the composition table are the elements of G. Therefore it is closed with respect to modular multiplication 12. So associative law, since A into B into C is equal to bracket AB into C, leave the same remainder when it is divided by 12. So we have for every A comma B comma C belongs to G, A mult mod 12 of B mult mod 12 C is equal to A mult mod 12 B bracket mult mod 12 C. So this result you can be verified with an example. First let us simplify the elements inside the bracket. 7 11s are, it is 77. 77 means 77 minus nearest multiple of 12 is 72. 77 minus 72 is 5. So 5 mult mod 12 5 is equal to 5 5s are 25. 25 minus nearest multiple of 12 is 24. So 25 minus 24 is equal to 1. So like this even we can interchange the brackets here and simplify. That is 5 mult mod 12 of 7 into mult mod 12 of 11. First let us simplify inside the bracket. So we get 5 7s are, it is 35. 35 minus nearest multiple of 7 is 24. So it is 11. Mult mod 12 of 11 is 11 11s are 121. 121 minus nearest multiple of 121 of 12 is 120. So 121 minus this one. So hence the associative law is satisfied. Existence of identity. From the composition table we observe that I belongs to G satisfies all the I belongs to G satisfies the identity property, that is A mult mod 12 of 1 is equal to 1 mult mod 12 of A is equal to A for all A belongs to G. Therefore 1 is the identity element. Let us check this with the table. Now you observe the first row and first column of the composition table. See, first row is 1 5 7 11, 1 5 7 11. So these two are identical, and also the elements, that is the leading elements of these rows and columns are also, see you just 1 5 7 11 is same as the second row and first column is same as the second column. Therefore when you operate with the 1, when you multiply with the 1, the product remains same, that is 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 5 is 5, 1 into 7 is 7, 1 into 11 is 11. Therefore when you multiply any element of the group G by 1, the same element we get, hence 1 is the identity element. So from the table also it is very clear, 1 is the identity element. Next let us check the existence of inverse. The inverses of 1, 5, 7, 11 are respectively 1, 5, 7 and 11. Let us go to the table and check the inverses. See, we know that 1 is the identity element. So corresponding to 1, let us see the elements which are present in rows and columns. 1 here, 1 into 1 is 1. So inverse of 1 is 1 itself. And 5 into 5 is equal to 1. So inverse of 5 is 5. And 7 into 7 is equal to 1. So inverse of 7 is 7. Inverse of 11 is again identity element 1 is present here. So corresponding to this column, the leading element is 11. So 11, so it is 1. So inverse of 11 is 11. Hence the inverses of 1, 5, 7, 11 are respectively 1, 5, 7 and 11 itself. Therefore, every element has inverse. Now all the 4 properties have been satisfied. So it is a group. And in order to show that it is an abelian group, we have to prove one more property, that is commutative property. So from the composition table, it is very clear that it is symmetrical about the principal diagonal. This is the principal diagonal. So the elements are in the principal diagonal are 1, 1, 1, 1. And now you just observe the table above the principal diagonal, that is 5, 11, 5, and below 5, 11, 5. The next row 7, 7, 7, 7, 11, 11. See, when you fold this composition table on the principal diagonal, the elements are coinciding. 7, 7, 11, 11. Means it is just the mirror image of this one. So we say that it is symmetrical. Since it is symmetrical, so from the composition table, it is symmetrical about the principal diagonal. Therefore, commutative law holds good. Hence, G, mult mod 12 is an abelian group, and it is a group of order 4. Since there are 4 elements, it is a group of order 4. In order to prove that the given set is an abelian group, we have to prove the closure law, associative law, existence of identity, existence of inverse, and commutative law. If it satisfies all the 5 properties, then we say that it is an abelian group. Thank you.